Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the world looks a lot different. In order to be socially responsible and keep our distance, we at Allied Restoration are filming our Raving Fan interviews remotely online. Please bear with us during these uncertain times. Remember to wash your hands, keep your distance, and stay safe.
Tenants there called, and it was, fairly significant. Rain had come in through this separation of a drain right down into this, fortunately, small and separated space in our office building. And water was just sort of like pouring everywhere, and so it wasn't just in that room. It sort of, the water went out into sort of the reception area of that part of the building. Called Hoffman Brown and said, look, I think this is something I'd like to consider putting in a claim on. And then I think it was the following morning that I responded to Marianne's email, which she'd sent out immediately, and that's when I called you guys. Yeah, it was all sort of remarkably sort of quick how fast you were. I think it was the same day we had somebody out there. He was very good about sort of very quick to sort of text, would send out his sort of evening sort of report. Once that was cleared, then that seemed to sort of move very fast. They had it ready for the flooring within sort of 4 days. That was super fast. So again, had good working experience with with both of them. It was just very simple. I want to sort of put in a claim on this, I think within a couple of hours, Marianne had sort of got back to me. But I think I spoke initially to Mike, and then Marianne called me, and even without knowing what the outcome would have been vis-a-vis the insurance, she said that I can't remember exact words. I got the email here, but highly recommended you guys. And obviously specifically told me to speak sort of directly to you. Oh, I would definitely give you a 10. You guys were recommended by our insurers, our insurance, agents. Some people like to shop around and see, what the sort of the prices were. I didn't have the luxury. Number one, with our tenants, I needed to sort of make sure that they were going to be taken care of as quickly as possible. And secondly, we were also in this very strange period with this, with the early days with this COVID-19. And, I said, I didn't want to be out there meeting different people for the sake of whatever, X dollars may have been at the end of it. So I think that it was comforting in a way, and reassuring, comforting that we had a sort of this relationship with our insurance agents, and they were very fast to sort of recommend you guys. So it was easy for me.